Hi. 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1, 351. Beautifully restored in wonderful yellow with the black stripes. Beautiful car, beautiful engine. They've done a really good job restoring it. It's got the BF Goodwrench tires. It's got the Hurst 4-speed shifter. Love that shifter. And then you know what else it has? It's got louvers. Look at these louvers, Jake. I do enjoy a good louver. Got the nice spoiler in the back. The Mach 1 badging. It's a beautiful car. Chrome's wonderful. We've got keys, which is very important. Let's open it up, shall we? Ooh, a nice trunk, Jake. With a tool and a little tire. Oh, wow. Nice, nice. Beautiful stuff. Wonderfully restored car. Love the lights in the back of the 70. I really do. It's a beautiful car. Oh, look inside, Jake. It's beautiful.
Wood paneling. I love that.
Come on. It's 1970. It's got the white and red reflectors on the doors, as you can see. Look at that Hurst shifter. Ah, beautiful car. This one's begging to be driven. Shall we, Jake?
We shall.
Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.
She's got a mighty nice suspension on her. You have to look out because the road's no longer closed, Jake. You got a signal.
Yeah, we got a radio.
That's a pretty rare thing in this car. And nice speakers, I noticed.
And guess what? The clock works.
Oh shit, I am in third. Okay, now it sounds real nice. But it's beautiful. Wow, this yellow is so nice. Look at that paint.
I love the big scoop.
This morning, Jake. We don't need air conditioning. God, it's beautiful, and it does run real well.
It's kind of cool.
Oh, well, heck. Throw it on, let's see what happens.
I can feel air coming out.
Well, that's fantastic news. That was all wet.
We had it on warm for some reason.
Well, that's ridiculous. We should never have it on warm. Not in the Middle West in August. Or, sorry, last day of July.
It drives really nice, actually.
It does. It does.
It's smooth.
It really is smooth.
Got plenty of power.
So much power you can start off in third. Shouldn't do that, by the way. I like to warm it up a little bit. I could warm this car for days. And the clock works.
Mm-hmm.
That is fantastic.
It's ticking.
Takes a look at it, keeps on ticking. That's Timex. I don't think that's that clock. But it was a great commercial about wristwatches. She's coming along, isn't she? Man.
Smooth, like I said.
And I love this. Tilt wheel action. For us fat guys who have issues.
How are our brakes?
Real good. Real good. Oh, look, a stop sign. Give it the beans, eh? Nice beans. Really nice car. I mean, it's those iconic yellow and black colors.
You gotta love that.
I do, and I like a big 351. It's a nice engine. Good 4-speed, because I like muscle cars with 4 speeds. And you got louvers. And you got the shady spot. Ooh, some tree branches. That was a heck of a windstorm we had on Saturday.
Yeah, it was.
Drive it right now.
I do want to.
Shall we?